In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collapse all layers in Figma. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting your journey in design, keeping your workspace organized is crucial for productivity and creativity. Collapsing all layers in Figma can help you declutter your workspace, making it easier to focus on the task at hand. Let's dive in and make your design process more efficient. First, open your browser and navigate to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool that many professionals rely on for its versatility and robust feature set. Once you are on Figma's landing page, the next step is to log in. You'll find the login option prominently displayed, guiding you to enter your credentials. If you're finding yourself frequently on Figma, consider saving your credentials for quicker access in the future. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Figma home. This is where you find all your recent projects and files. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this space if you're new to Figma. It's essentially your dashboard from where you navigate to different projects. From your home, the next step is to click on Design. This action takes you straight into the heart of Figma where all your creative processes come to life. In the design view, you're layering your canvas, sketches, ideas, and ultimately your polished designs. Once you're in the design view, shift your attention to the Layers panel. You'll find it on the left side of your screen, showing every object on your canvas broken down hierarchically. Being able to navigate through this panel smoothly is essential, especially when working on complex projects with multiple components. Now, to collapse all layers, locate the option labeled Collapse Layers. Clicking on this will immediately tidy up your Layers panel, showing only the top level components. This view can significantly reduce visual noise and help you concentrate on high priority elements of your design. While it may seem like a small adjustment, it is an immensely powerful feature for maintaining clarity and organization in your workspace. Throughout this process, remember that keeping your layers organized isn't just about collapsing them, it's about maintaining an intuitive order within each file. As you work and add more elements to your designs, revisit your layer structures regularly. Renaming layers and grouping components can provide additional clarity and save substantial time later when making adjustments or updates. And there you have it. Collapsing layers in Figma is a straightforward yet effective way to bring order to your design process. Embrace these tools to enhance your workflow and create a clean and efficient workspace. Thanks for watching and keep creating.